Welcome to another video on how to maximize your time and profit more with EverLogic. Today, we'll be discussing adding parts and technicians to repair orders. EverLogic gives users the ability to add parts and technicians to repair orders with ease. One method of adding a technician to repair order is to use the technician scheduler. When you log into EverLogic, your access capabilities will determine what you will be able to do in the technician scheduler. As a technician, you will be able to customize your view, select, start, stop, and complete work on repair orders. This example shows 4 technicians working today. They are displayed on the left with check marks next to their name. This places the technician's clipboard on the calendar to allow job assignment. Notice, Tech Frank Burns has already been assigned to a repair order on his clipboard. This occurred when the service writer created the repair order and assigned Frank Burns as the technician to do the job. Another way to add a technician to a repair order is to click the Unassigned Repair Orders in the lower left-hand corner to open and view the repair orders for assignment. Click on the plus sign to expand the repair order to show all of the line items. You can then place the repair jobs onto the technician's clipboard by using click, hold, and drag function. Or double-click on the repair order to open the repair order form, then go to the Service Items tab to display the line items. Here, you will need to double-click to open the repair job. Then assign the technician by selecting from the drop-down menu and save. The repair will then appear on the tech's clipboard in the tech scheduler. The technician can start a job by double-clicking on the job in their clipboard. A dialog box will open. Click Start and Save to initiate the timekeeping process on the job. The technician can stop the timekeeping process on a job by double-clicking on the job to open Repair dialog box. Then click Stop and Save. To resume work, the technician will click on the job in the clipboard, not on the calendar grid. Then click Start and Save. This can be done as many times as necessary to accommodate lunches, breaks, and any unassigned interruptions. The technician can finish the job by double-clicking on the job, click Stop, and then click Technician's Work Completed. Completed work will show with a red check mark over the time clock icon. The main difference between the technician's view and the manager's view is the ability to edit the time of work. Managers can manually update the date and time and override hours for a repair. Always start the repair on the clipboard and stop it in the time field, not on the calendar grid. Another key feature in EverLogic is the ability to add parts to the repair orders. Go to the part items and search for the item that you would like to add to the repair order. Double-click the item to select it. You may want to see the parts that go with each job on a repair order. Scroll to the right and you will find a section for the service item. Click, hold, and drag it to the front of the line so you don't have to do this each time. Now we need to go to the parts and assign the service item to the job, then save. I hope you've enjoyed this video featuring how to add technicians and parts to a repair order. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about how EverLogic can help your dealership grow, give us a call at 904-998-4066 Email us at support@everlogic.com or schedule a free demo by clicking on the link below.